Forno Appliances introduces you to the Model 6274-30 inches convection oven gas range. Heavy-duty continuous cast iron grates simplify moving pans around without lifting them off the surface. The 5 burners provide cooking flexibility from a low 1000 BTU simmer for sauces to 19,000 BTU output to boil or flash fry vegetables. One burner is capable of running 1 or 2 rings in order to deliver the most control of flame to the chef at home. The beautiful stainless steel finish cleans easily and complements other Forno appliances to fit any kitchen design. Forno ranges come with a beautiful handle and large viewing window to see baking progress in the oven. There are 6 die-cast metal knobs with bezel rings that will last and look great for the life of the range. The range includes an easy-to-read oven temperature gauge. The deep recessed enameled cooktop surface has a sleek and stylish look, designed to provide maximum cooking efficiency, help contain spills, splatters, and messes for easier cleanup. This model has an oven capacity size of 4.32 cubic feet to accommodate the most productive baker's pans. The oven comes with 2 heavy-duty racks that will support the heaviest of items cooked in. The stainless hinges are robust and allow for smooth door opening and closing. 2 bright oven lights make it easy to see baking progress of any recipe. Interior convectional fan for disperse even heating. Oven includes a broil feature of 10,000 BTU that evenly spreads heat for roasting vegetables. And the bottom element is of 16,000 BTU for fast oven preheating. Comes equipped with a cast iron black wok ring holder, sturdy and durable. 1 aluminum lightweight grill that is reversible and movable. Also comes with 1 air fry rack and basket and a drip pan. Includes an LP kit from conversion from natural to propane. An industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty backs every Forno appliance. Forno, lowering the cost of living.